Follow this guide to complete a simple automated backwash. To start the backwash, you will need a safe, pathogen-free water supply, a clean hose. Use a new or disinfected hose completely free from pathogens to prevent contamination of the front tap and filter cartridge. You may disinfect the hose by fully submerging it in a bucket of clean water with chlorine. Now, you may start the automated backwash. Firstly, connect the clean hose to the safe pathogen-free water supply. Secondly, take the other end of the clean hose and connect it to the front tap. It is also highly recommended to use our hose clip to secure it. Next, open both the drain valve and front tap. Slowly open the main water supply to control the volume of the water flowing through the drain valve. Do not drink water from the drain valve as it is not filtered. Observe the color of the water and turn off the water flowing from the drain valve once it clears up. You have now completed the simple automated backwash. Remove the hose from the front tap. Close the drain valve and continue using the ROAMfilter Plus for clean drinking water. We highly recommend you to perform this simple automated backwash every 2 months to prolong the longevity of the membrane.